Asiphinde sinibingelele sinamukele ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel uSiba lukaZulu. Kwisifundo sethu namhlanje sizobheka ukuthi si-aplya kanjani e-University of Pretoria, right? I'm going to show you how to apply online at University of Pretoria, right? To begin your application, you have to open a browser of your choice. I'm going to use Google Chrome, right? I'm going to use Google Chrome. And then mawufika laphana kwi-search bar, you are going to type University of Pretoria online application, right? Or you can type UP online application, right? You can type UP online application, and then izobe sekuthatha sekubeka la. Mawufika la, you click lapha apply online, you click lapha apply online, right? Izobe sekuthatha la sekubeka la, and then you scroll down lapha. To begin your application process, you have to click lapha start the application process. Now laphana bakubhalele kwi-red banner, you have to click lapha start application process. You click start application process, right? Izobe sekuthatha sekubeka la, and then laphana you have to select I want to, you select ukuthi ukuphi ofuna ukuzokwenza to start new application, right? If bokuwazama uku-aplya ngaphambilini mhlambe washiya phakathi, you can click lapha ulogin to continue. If usunayo i-application ID and a password, you click lapha ulogin to continue. But for us that are going to start a new application, we click lapha kwi-last part. Data privacy notice, you click OK lapha, right? Izobe sikuthatha sekubeke la. Career of study, you select lapha. For a person ophuma esikoleni ozoqala uku-aplya e-University of Pretoria, uzoselecta lapha u-undergraduate, right? Abafuna ukustudisha online, nawo ama-options laphana to study online, UP online, undergraduate, UP online, postgraduate, right? If mhlambe ama-postgraduate laba asabeke abanayo i-qualification yase-tertiary that are looking to further their studies, they choose lapha postgraduate. But for people abazoqala ama-undergraduate, they select undergraduate. If ufuna ukustudisha online, you can select lapha UP online, right? Uzofundela ekhaya, right? First year of study 2027, you select lapho undergraduate. First year of study 2027, qala ngo-2027 yakozayo, right? Student number, if you previously studied at UP, if bokuwafunda ngaphambilini e-UP, University of Pretoria, you can punch lapha i-student number obosebenzisa, right? But for us abangakaze befunde, sizoshiya lapha ispace lesena si-blank, siye lapha ku-last name. Last name, you write laphana isibongo sakho ku-last name. First name ubhala igama lakho lokuqala, middle name ubhala igama lakho lesibili nelesithathu uma ngabe likhona, right? Email address, laphana you are going to punch i-email address yakho that you are going to use. Make sure that you have an active email address before you initiate your application, right? And then confirm lapha email, uphinde uyayithayipha lapha i-email yakho. Date of birth laphana, you can click lapha lokho kuyi-calendar to select i-date of birth yakho. You click lapha unyaka nonyaka, and then scroll up ubheke unyaka owazalwa ngawo. Let's say you were born ngo-2007, you select lapho 2007. Mhlambe ngoJuly, you select uJuly. A day, you select lapha usuku 17, right? Identify me by, right? You select lapha i-passport number if mhlambe you are foreign, but if you are a South African citizen, you can use your ID number. You select lapha ID number, South African national ID, then you punch your ID number lapha. security code, nansi code yakho lapha lapha ebhalwe kwi-blue banner laphana. You just type i-code leyana njengoba injalo. You just have to type EXVFNU. Eyakho-ke ngisho nje izoba different eyakho from this one, so you are going to type as it is lapha ku-space abakunikeze sona, right? And then if you are done, you click lapha go. Right, if you click go laphana, they are going to send you email, right? Email izobe ine-application ID yakho, ine-password yakho, right? Wena okwakho to continue, you have to go and check lapha ama-email zakho, and then note those details, application ID and your password, then come back to log in, right? You go and check ama-email zakho, and then you come back and log in to continue with your application, right? Right, you come back email, and then you come back to continue with your application. Again, you click lapha, you go and select login to continue, because now you do have the application ID and a password abayisende to email, so you are going to use it. Right, you are going to use the application ID yakho abayisendile, and then i-password abayisendile, right? You are going to punch those details abakusendile, then you click go laphana, right? Right, masukuphantshile, you click go laphana, and then izobe sikuthatha sekubeka la. You have to confirm lapha email and change password, right? You check lapha ukuthi email iyona, and then laphana ku-change password you are going to create your own password ozokwazi ukuyikhumbula, right? So you go lapha and then create your own password ozokwazi ukuyikhumbula. Right, you type laphana i-password yakho entsha, and then you click okay, right? Once you are done, zobe sikuthatha sekubeka la, and then this is where you are going to complete your application, right? Right, you read lapha, welcome to University of Pretoria, thanks for making the decision. You read laphana. Once you are done reading, you click lapha next, or you can click lapha personal information. You can use lapha i-arrow ebheke kwa-right, you just click yona, or you can use personal information, right? You click lapha personal information, right? Personal information title, you select lapha i-title ehambiselana nawe. If you are a doctor, you are a judge, Mr. Mrs., you choose lapha i-title ehambiselana nawe. And then laphana ama-details akho bazobe sebekufakela automatically. Right, okwakho is to confirm ukuthi yonke into right, and then once you are done, you click next lapha. Nansi i-arrow ebheke kwa-right, ekhombe kwa-right, you click i-arrow le, but before you click i-arrow, you have to click usave laphana ukuthi konke osukubhalile kuyasaveka. Uma ngabe mhlawumbe kwenzeka mhlawumbe i-browser yakho ivaleka nje ngokungaqondile, uzokwazi ukuthi izinto zakho zibe sevekile, right? You click lapha usave, masumklickile usave, then you can click lapha next, right? Mawuclick next bazokuthatha bekubeke lapha kuma-contact details, right? Okwakho is to punch i-address lapha, you punch i-address laphana mhlambe if PO box bani, you write, and then you write line 2, city or suburb, you just search lapha city or suburb. You can use the postal code, then select ehambiselana nawe. You just click lapha search, and then laphana you can write a postal code, and then click search. Bazokukhombisa ehambiselana nawe, then you select le ehambiselana nawe. Right, once you select ehambiselana nawe, uyahluya lapha ku-email and phone numbers. Phone number, you write your phone number lapha. Alternative number, uma ngabe ingatholakala ifone number yakho ozotholakala kuyona. Email address, you confirm lapha. Then once you are done, you go back and click lapha save again, and then you click next, ukuthi izinto zakho ama-details akho wafakile azokwazi ukusaveka. Then you click next. Right, uye lapha ku-demographic details. Ku-demographic details, you select lapha i-gender. If you're a male, you select male. If you're a female, you select female. Right, home language, ulimi lwasekhaya, ulimi lwebele, then you select ehambiselana nawe. Population group, lapha you select, tell us more about yourself. I'm currently still in high school. You select lapha okuhambiselana nawe. I am unemployed and haven't studied before at a tertiary institution. Then you select wena ohambiselana nakho. If you have a disability, you select yes laphana. If you do not have a disability, you just leave it lapha ku no, and then you go lapha phezulu, you save, and then you click next. Tertiary education, were you previously enrolled at university or University of Technology? If wakwafunda mhlambe noma wakwabhalisa e-university noma e-college, you select yes. If awukaze, you click lapha no, then you save, and then you click next again. Secondary education, final school year, you select lapha unyaka wakho ophume ngawo esikoleni. You just have to select laphana. Examining authority, right? Let's select unyaka owodwa lapha sizobona. Let's say 2025. Examining authority, you select laphana ukuthi ubhale ngaphansi kwasiphi isifundazwe, right? KwaZulu-Natal Department of Education, right? You select wena ohambiselana nawe. School name, you just click lapha search, and then you write school name. You click search, then you select, right? You can write mhlambe any name, then you click search, bazobe sebekuvezela, then you select isikole sakho esihambiselana nawe, right? School grades, again laphana uzoselecta national senior certificate. If national senior certificate, highest grade completed. If we are grade 12, 11, if we are grade 12 this year, you select grade 11. If so grade 12, you just select grade 12. Examination number, you write the exam number yakho lapha. Exemption type, you select laphana exemption type, admit to bachelor's degree. If you wanna be admitted to a bachelor's degree, right? and then wehle uye lapha completed school grade laphana, you just click lapha ku-1 kwi-space lesana, you click and then you select iy'fundo owazenza. Let's say mhlambe wenza, let's see ukuthi sinani laphana, mhlambe wenza i-grammatic art, you select i-grammatic art, uye lapha ku-mark, you click umark, then you select level owayithola. Let's say mhlambe wathola level 6 kwi-grammatic art, you select 6 and then laphana you choose i-percentage owayithola, right? If mhlambe wathola u-75, just click 75. Uqhubeke njalo uze uyoqeda zonke iy'fundo owawuzenzile, right? Right, mangabe sowufake zonke-ke iy'fundo zakho kuzovela kanje njengoba nami sengiyifakile, then you scroll up usave laphana, then you click u-next. Mawuclick u-next uzoya lapha kuma-choices ofuna ukuwafundela noma ofuna ukuwa-aplayela, right? You click lapha i-search button leya, just click u-search loya. Right, it's taking longer than expected. I think it's my network has some issues. I'm not sure. Right, izobe seyikuthatha-ke seyikubeka la. You can select laphana lapha ku-open plans only ukuthi kuzovela ama-programs that are still open, uzokwenza izinto zakho zibe lula, right? And then laphana you can search any program lapha, right? You can search any program azobe sevela ofuna ukuyifundela, then you select leyo program leyo, right? Once you're done, you click save, and then you click next. General details, right? Admission to the University of Pretoria does not guarantee availability of place, right? You wish to be considered for a residence place, right? If uyayifuna accommodation indawo yokuhlala laphana you select yes, right? Preferred residence, you select laphana i-residence ofuna ukuhlala kuyo nawo abakunikezile, right? You select wena if mhlambe khona ocabanga ukuthi right for wena, you just have to select yona, right? Financially aid, have you or are you going to apply for NSFAS? If you are going to apply, noma so apply for NSFAS, you click lapana yes, do you wish, or are you going to apply for UP funding? If mhlambe uzo applyela i-financial aid yase University of Pretoria, you can click lapana yes again, then you save and then you click next. Right now you are going to upload document akho SA your South African national ID, i-ID yakho, you click lapha plus loyana to upload i-ID yakho. You click plus and then you click lapha my device and then you select i-document yakho la uyibeka khona, right? And then you click lapha upload complete, then you click done now, right? Mandatory, remember ubheke lapha phezulu kubhaliwe njenge-ID document is mandatory, okusho ukuthi is compulsory to upload i-ID document for your application to be considered. Kwamele uyifake i-ID yakho, upload lapha. School result, ama-school result kwamele nawo futhi uwa-upload, a-compulsory for your application to be considered. You need to upload ama-result akho, then you click lapha u-upload. Once the upload is complete, you click lapha done, right? Other school result upload more now. Tertiary education, you can upload. Sport accomplishment, you can upload sport accomplishment, and then you click lapha save again, and then you click next. Declaration, I confirm that you read lapana, and then once you are done, you click lapha I confirm the declaration. You click lapha yes, right? Once you are done, you click save. You click save, then you click next, right? Verify application. To verify application lapana, to verify application loyana is to check with all the details are correct and all the spaces are provided with necessary details. So you click lapha verify, and then if your application has no errors, izobhala lapha with no errors. If your application is complete, please make payment. Then now we are going to make a payment, right? Njengami application yami futhi zonke izinto ngifake kahle, kuno tick lapha, kuno tick okusho ukuthi zonke izinto ngifake kahle. Then you click lapha save, and then you click next, right? Payment available, right? I need to verify again. No errors. Save, next. Right, give it some time. Right, say verify gile. Amount due is 300. Application fee is 300, right? Status not paid, angakayibhadali vele. Right now akama payment options owanikeziwe lapha, unikezwe i-bank account ese-Standard Bank ongadeposita kuyona imali leyo. After so depositile, then you come back and upload the proof of payment, right? Other method that you can use to pay the application fee, you can use lapha online credit card payment. You can pay online using your credit card, or you can upload, I'm not sure ukuthi le isebenza kanjani, to upload a parent payslip or your payslip if you are working, right? Once zonke izinto zakho severifyiwe, ama-payment akho aseverifyiwe, i-status la sizobhala sithi paid, right? Uma ngabe sowuqedile ngama-payment, then you go lapha, you click apply, because sokwenze konke, you click, just have to click lapha apply. Right, for mina ngingakawenza ama-payment, kodwa sengiqedile nge-application yami ukuthi ngibhadale, and then I click apply, konke sekuphelile, right? Umbukiso wethu-ke wanamhlanje sizobamba khona lapha. Asiphinde sikunxenxe ukuthi usubscribe ngaphansi kwe-YouTube channel, ushiye ukuphawula kwakho lapha ngama-comment, uphinde ulike nevidiyo namhlanje. Kuze kube ngokuzayo, siyavaleka.